Okay. Yeah. Okay. So businesses are under pressure to grow faster with fewer resources. Customers expect speed. They expect that personalization. Just like it's just like painting a scenario of a problem, of a real, genuine problem, right? Of a real, genuine problem. So AI helps businesses compete, adapt, scale in a digital world. Okay, so the next slide is so a business growth problem. So there's a problem. Growth is getting harder, not easier. Rising cost, shrinking margins, tougher competition. Teams are overwhelmed with data. It's like painting a real business scenario. She's just looking like it's just too much to have a business. It's just too much to particularly run a business. Many businesses are working harder, not smarter. So I want to tell you, AI solved the too much work, the too little inside problem. AI is here to help you. Right. Next slide. What AI? Can you see my screen now? Oh, the person that could not see my screen earlier. What AI is really AI machine? AI means machine learning from data to make decisions. So see AI as that prompt to do its assistant. It helps to automate tasks, predict outcomes, and improve accuracy. So, for instance, maybe you're trying to draft a proposal. Maybe, hey, can you mute you a co-host so that you can help mute? I'll make you a co-host right away. Just a second, so that you can help mute and control the. Doing that right away. Where are you? Okay, that's wrong. Where are you? Promise me. That's right. Yeah, okay, making you a co-host now. So you're now a co-host. So you can help mute and unmute role and yeah, thank you. So
Oh,
thank you. So I want you to see AI as your business partner. AI is my business partner. Can you put it in your chat box? AI is my business partner. I'm waiting for your chat. AI is your business partner. So AI helps to analyze data faster than humans. So let's say, for instance, you are maybe you use AI. Maybe you need a quick analysis. You can just say AI. I think I'm recording. Analyze this for me in a chat now. So AI, thank you. You can't see my screen. Okay, thank you, thank you. So it spots patterns businesses often miss. It helps to study that pattern. AI support business decisions when it comes to it. Of course, it will make some work get faster. Don't see it as it's going to take you out of work. No, no. I know there's that controversy of the thing is whatever AI can do. Remember, human created AI, so human is still the engine to make AI at its best. So think of AI as a personal assistant, not a robot boss. You can see me with the AI. The AI is staying with me as an assistant. It's going to answer to my command. So the next slide. So key areas where AI drives business growth. Key areas. So marketing and customer acquisition, operation and process automation, sales forecasting and personalization. I'm going to paint real scenarios. Just give me a moment. Customer support and engagement, risk management and decision making. So AI helps turns your effort into efficiency. So gone are the days whereby you have to do everything brick and mortar. You're gonna watch an interesting video. So brick and mortar, whereby you must be the one to make all the calls. Why send an email? You have to send an email with the person's name one by one. The thing is, AI has come to make things easier for you, for us. So the next slide, turning data into growth. Turning data into growth. So how can you turn data into growth? Businesses collect data every day, whether you like it or not. You add someone working, or if you are yet to start a business, you met somebody last week. You're always meeting new people if you are that person that meet people. Without AI, data stays unused. AI turns data into predictions and insights. Better data decisions lead to better growth outcomes. So data plus AI equals direction. Write it in the chat box. Data plus AI is equal to direction. So next, AI in marketing and sales, AI and customer experience. So what does it do in customer and in marketing and sale? It gives what personalized ads and content, customer behavior. So AI can help you. It knows the right way to speak to which different kind of demographic. Like it helps give that stereotype. It even asks you, is it, do you want it professional or want it in a simple language? Like it helps it helps put your expression together and quick. So understand AI customer needs in real time. It helps to personalize product and what services communication, and it helps to build trust and consistency because happy customers drive growth. So AI in operations and on productivity, AI and competitive advantage. So now you can actually compete. So for business owners here, you can actually. So the thing is this: don't look at yourself as I'm just that business. I overheard someone saying he's selling juice. Somebody is selling, I think, peanuts or something. Look at that business like a conglomerate. You're going to try a lot of things because the thing is, once you learn the craft of leveraging technology to achieve something, when you are going to the bigger plateau of the one you want to build, you have you have that sound mind. You have that sound way of doing things. So let's go. AI for small and growing businesses. So don't think that maybe you just started a business last year or you started even this year. If you the big boys in the market are there already, there's no place for me. No, there's a place for you. AI tools are now affordable and accessible. No coding is required. SMEs can compete now with what larger companies. So AI for leadership and strategy. So smarter pricing and resource. So the thing is, AI can actually help you to do market research. Maybe you're trying to go into a new business. AI can give you market research, tell you where does what you're selling more, where you can be more visible and the kind. It can help you. So instead of you trying to do the brick and mortar way of researching, AI can help you. All right. So what are the challenges? I overheard that some people use that you are afraid you've used AI too much, and now you're very very afraid that I hope I'm not. So the thing is this: data quality and privacy concern. The thing is uh, AI stores. So I was at a conference in 2023, and I was telling I was asking a question. I said, "So are we really safe?" Because it seems that AI can actually. I don't know. You know about the trend that is going on, that tell AI to do of you of your work based on what he knows about you. So the thing is, there is that privacy concern. The thing is, but can you use AI in a wise way whereby I'm not saying you should in a way that maybe something is, let's say your name is Catherine Sanders. Can you, or you're trying to do something, don't put the entire, maybe your business is, let's say your business is, what's the name of any business here? Promise, can you give me any name of any business here in the chat box that we already? Any name of any business that's here, Miss Promise? Sinai. Okay. Okay. Let's say Sina is maybe your business. So you may not have to put the exact name of that business. So it's just privacy concern. You have to very careful of what you actually put in entirety on AI. All right. So barriers holding businesses back. So look, I'm not through. Skills and understanding gaps, ethical and human centered use, neither for clear so need for clear business goals. So there's you have that responsibility. So how will I put it? So the responsible use of AI, put it's now you can now there's not need for your business clear. So the thing is, if you don't put the right prompt in, it may give you something else that you may not need. But can you be also be careful with your data in using AI? So what are the barriers holding businesses back? They're afraid of AI. They're afraid they don't know what it's all about. So lack of digital skills, misunderstanding of what AI can do, waiting for perfect conditions. So some people have been waiting for the perfect condition. Like, okay, I don't think I'm ready now for AI. So what's the practical AI adoption mindset? So start with a business goal, not the technology. The thing is, don't look at it, which AI is reigning. What do I want to do? Because it's almost AI for everything. I have a book. Maybe I will share later with your leader after. Um, a book is a PDF, 100 AI tools. Okay, I could share it later. So start with a business goal, not the technology. Focus on the impact, not the hype. You know, people just hype a lot of things. Use existing tools before building new ones. You need to use the one you can familiarize with faster. Grow AI use step by step. So how to start using AI in your business? Identify real business problems. Start small with one AI tool or use case. Start small. Start with one. You can master anyone you want to master. Train teams and build digital skills. Measure impact and grow gradually. See, the thing is, there's power in growing gradually. There's power in going through the process in your business. So, and that narrows down to whatever you are doing. There's power in growing little by little. Okay. Sorry, just hold on. Okay. Close. So there's power in growing step by step. So think practical, not perfect. Just start. So before this key takeaways, I want us to do an exercise. Are you ready for me? Okay, maybe I'll do it like this. I'll do it like this. Allow connected device. Okay, yes, no. So, okay, just hold on. Sorry. Okay. So I want you to do. How many people do we have? A person do we have on this call? I think I joined on three devices, so I'm like three. So that means that we have like 19. I want us to do a group work. Or okay, don't worry, let's do it. How do I do it? Okay. So I want us to do a prompt, like a prompt exercise. All right. So what's the exercise? See AI as your. So I want you to take your notepad. Yeah, if you're coming for a training, nobody should tell you that you should take a notepad. So I want you to take a notepad now. I'm giving you about 5 minutes, very fast. So if you already have a business, you can how will I put it? You can use your real business. Normally, the plan I had was to group have us into groups. I was expecting 25 people, as told me. So each will have a five person in a group. Then we can look at it together. one person will present on behalf of the so that we can save time. Is that okay? Then after this exercise, you watch a video, a brief history of AI. Then we'll go to the latter part of this class. So look at your screen. So let me read for you so that you can. So about me, I'll pick. So you can. I think the smart way is we'll pick the uh, your response. So I want you to think through before you respond. Okay, because we want to answer you to answer from the step. Like so, see AI as your business assistant. So what's the objective? To help participants understand how AI can solve real business problems in marketing, operations, and decision making, right? Using tools that they can access immediately. So look at it. I've not given you any AI tool yet, but I want to see what you can do first. So number one, identify your real business challenge. Write one challenge down. So we're dealing with one. So wherever you are now, write one business challenge, or how would I put it? Just think of a challenge. Let's say like you're acting. Okay, you said you don't have a business. Write a real business challenge. Maybe one takes task that takes time, too much time, that is repeated often. Maybe that affects sales, customers, or growth. So let's identify a real problem. So can you put okay? So in the chat box, can you put a real problem? People that own as a business, can you put a real problem in the chat box right now? Can you put a real problem? I want to see the problem. I'm waiting on you. Power supply. Okay. Okay. Another one. Thank you, Miss Promise. Another one. Branding. Beautiful. Okay. Branding. Another one. I'm waiting. Marketing. Beautiful. So, So anybody, any last one? I'm waiting. Reduction in sales. Oh, there. Wow. So we have real business challenge here. And okay. So can we look at one that we can solve together? So much. So I want to face the branding first. Branding. So let me put it like this: branding and marketing. Hands-on AI prompt activity. So can you ask AI any AI that you know? Because I've not given you the tools yet. I'm going to give you two after this work. Write it. You know, your AI should have known you by now. Or if you don't know AI yet, any AI that you know, I won't give you an example yet. Any AI tool that you know, ask ask the AI now that this is my business. Talk about my business. That don't put the name. You cannot say my business is into this and this. How can I solve the problem of marketing using AI? What tools can I use for the branding? Say the name. Say what your business do. You don't necessarily put your name. Because I've said you have to be also be your data privacy. So I want three answers. Thank you. For the power supply, that's probably maybe Nigeria thing. So it's not a general all the nations thing. So please, people that shared, can you put it in the chat box? Copy and paste whatever it brings. Frequent insecurity and lockdown in my time. Okay, okay. So can you put that, especially the branding and the marketing? Can you put that? What's it called? Can you put that on ChatGPT? Or do you know any ChatGPT at all? Or should I take you through the ChatGPT tools? Is it ChatGPT tools? The AI tools? I need the response in the chat box. Are you there? What problem in your business takes too much time or is repeated often or affects sales, customers, or growth? Match the problem to an AI use case. I'm waiting for your answers. I'm giving you 120 seconds. So you have from now to 5:50. I want to do something. And if you don't know what to do, just put it on Google. I just want an answer. Then I know at the end of these 2 minutes, your mind will be open to actually receive what we have. Okay, Canva isn't design. Language barrier, beautiful. Okay, okay, okay. I'll be introducing you to some few apps. Of course, like I said, I have about 100 ebook that has 100 AI too. Okay, so I think Miss Promise, can you help us with can you that marketing? So the person that said Canva, thank you very much. So the thing is this: in marketing, how can AI help you? I want to paint a scenario because now, so it's now looking like giving like a workshop kind of feeling. Maybe, for instance, you have okay to boost sales. Okay, thank you. Maybe for instance, you meet people every day. Let's say a minimum of 5 people every day. 5 people in 100 days is how many people? 500. And so, how do you plan to reach them? Maybe they buy, let's say they buy once. Maybe they buy, let's say that 5 people came in, say 2 days, five persons, let's say for the next 100 days, for the next 100 days. So, how do you keep communicating with these people efficiently and almost how do you personalize your communication with these people? So, let's say you have their email, you have their email, you have what called MailChimp that helps to personalize your mail. Maybe you want to do a newsletter. So, MailChimp will help you what? Personalize. So once there's a way you put the emails in the loop that whatever you have written, so when they are receiving it, they receive it. For instance, now there's a newsletter that I do receive almost I think twice a week to say good morning Oriofe. So I thought, that's why the fact that I'm a tech person and I know that it's actually an AI, that the person is not manually like typing my name, it gives me that personalized experience that the person is okay. My name isn't mentioned. Let me read this mail. Do you know that it actually even triggers me to read it, even despite the fact that I know that it was AI. So you have that after you're sending that email, or you are trying to call. There is what we call AI call, but I know that in all of these, they all have all these tools as their what their pros and cons. They have their positive and the negative side. So, what do I mean by positive? Positive helps that in 24 hours, you can actually use AI to call that 500 persons. But you know that if you want to call them manually, it could take you like, if you're very, very fast, it could take you like 2 weeks. Or if you have team members that calls with you, whether you like it or not, it will take you like, say, a minimum of a week if you are really, really fast. But what will happen is that there will be too much resources, too much time. You can't face the most important thing in the business. Like, and mind you, that is a very integral part of your customers, solving their problems. That's how you can get value and put your profit or whatever in your revenue in your pocket. So AI helps you to what? Save time, save energy. So another flip side, maybe you're trying to draft a proposal. Instead of you do it. I know people may have abused it, but after using that AI, can you also add your originality into what you're trying to do? Use AI to do. Do just as it comes, you just dub it. Boom. Mm-mm. You must learn how to put the right prompting when using AI. For instance, you may not need to, for instance, you may say, write this for me. If you didn't tell it that, if you didn't prompt AI that, I want it in clear, simple, professional 10 sentences that speaks clearly to this so so and so HNIs, telling them why they need this. You get. So learn to give the right prompting. Then for branding, I would have made this place a workshop whereby I train you out on how to use all these things for presentation, for whatever. So there is always an AI undertone in any in most tech tools right now. So I just painted a scenario of you having data, mail using Mailchimp or whatever or any other platform, MailerLite. For calls, there are different apps that can help you call. Of course, after that call has been made, you can also use, so you know that call maybe just be hello, maybe they picked it. Hello, this is it's even though they may not particularly communicate with the AI, it has actually registered your business in their memory, whether you like it or not. It's already in their memory. So by the time maybe when your team member gets to that number, it wouldn't be the first time they are hearing of your business. So the thing is, see AI as your business assistant, see AI as your leverage, see AI as your personal assistant. So for branding, there are different design tools. I would personally recommend Canva. Canvas really can help a dummy, like it already has the design. So what you just do is review, edit, reshape, recolor with your business and brand. Yeah. So let's move to the next slide. So I think I skipped a page there before. So what are the key takeaways? AI is a powerful driver of business growth. It improves efficiency, insight, competitiveness. Businesses that adopt AI early grow faster. I will use your AI to grow your business faster. The future belongs to businesses that use AI wisely. So look at the word wisely. AI should be simple, useful, and human centered. That's my word. AI should be what? Useful. It must be simple, useful, and what? Human centered. So the future of business growth, AI will grow. We separate business growing. We separate growing business from struggling ones. Human creativity, you can see there is that still that human centeredness in it. So human creativity plus AI was we equate what intelligent wins. Business that learn faster will lead. The future of AI versus human versus what AI with humans. So the next we've gone through this. So what's the key learning outcomes? See AI as a helper, not a threat. So write in the chat box for me. AI is not a threat. AI is not a threat. So learn practical use without you can learn practical use AI use without tech skills. Thank you. Thank you for writing. I didn't get your rename yourself. All right. Learn practical AI tools without tech skills. Gain confidence using AI for daily business tasks. Understand how AI support and grow efficiency. So there's some tools. So I have the Blink. I could have put the logo beside. There's a what they call the Blink. Blink is like how will I put it? For instance, instead of you saying someone has or maybe you don't have your you've exhausted your hard copy business card and someone is not asking your phone number, you're not saying 080 or which other country you have +1 or +44 or +259. No, you just say scan this QR code. Like you can just show it's obvious. Where's your contact? I want to meet you. Just open your Blink. I could have helped you if I want to make it this a workshop. All right. So it's just scan. You put your details. You put your contact, your office address on that. On this, you can type it on Play Store or iOS. You will see it come up. Blink app. So what does Blink help you? Customer communication and lead capture, smart digital business cards, capturing customer details instantly, following up on leads automatically. So it helps businesses look professional and never lose customers' contact. So it's best for service business. consultants, and sales-driven entrepreneurs. So we have the Canva AI, right? I know Canva is a app on its own, but it has an AI component to it. So it helps to design your flyer. So you can just put, you can go to, I will have shown you, but I'll be able to show us today. So the Canva AI, so design your flyer, posts, and ads. So writing, so it helps you to ask, okay, what templates using Canva AI? I will have showed you, but yeah, I won't be able to show you today. So why it matters, help businesses look professional and aesthetically pleasing. So it's also best for business consultants, product sales. So it's good for your, so you can design your peanuts. The person that is doing peanuts can design your peanut. You can find a, the thing is, I would have loved to make this a particular workshop to actually help you to use it like from the end to end, but we'll not be able to do that. Today is just like an awareness, and of course, some of you are aware, but maybe tell you particularly. So, Google Analytics. Google Analytics. Okay, so I think across social media pages, there is that insight that you get to know, maybe you for instance, now you are putting your business on Instagram, you're putting your business on say LinkedIn, you're putting your business on this. So or you're trying to do trying to impute search engine optimization on your website. So what does Google Analytics do? The AI powered insight, it shows where customers are coming from. It actually shows you that, okay, look here, this is where most people are viewing from, this is where people are shopping from, right? So it gives you, if it's just you're just building your social media page, maybe it's just your Instagram and Facebook or your LinkedIn you're working on, there's just that insight, you get that impression, okay, where is the contact coming from, where are they watching this the most? So it helps you know where to actually channel your energy. So AI is actually here to help you, to give you honest reviews. So it shows where customers come from, like I said, predict trends and user behavior, improves marketing performance. So business stop guessing. So you can stop guessing and start using real data. So any business with a website, online presence, also for social media, like I said, pages. So Grammarly Business, I know people have been running ads for a long time. So it helps to improve mail proposals. So yeah, it helps to adjust your tone to sound professional. So remember, we're going to watch a video on AI, the beats. All right, so let's go to the next one. Zoho Books. So Zoho Books, there's the accounting and the financial tracking part of Zoho Books. There's the inventory. There's ChatGPT. There's HubSpot AI, and there is InVideo. InVideo. Hey, I wish I could teach you people this. I just record it down. You can do a screenshot, or I'll send this later. Like, it will help you. You can type what you want the video to show. Like, this has gone so easy that you can say, each of you when you're starting that small business, or that, don't call your business small, when you're starting that business that is growing, you can just type, show me, go to a market where they are selling this, present me as the one selling that, and for a picture ready post, and it will just give you the video. Okay, the first time I tried it, I wrote, give me African young ladies who are talking on a business. Like, this thing that just makes your world easier. So, like I said before, I mentioned MailChimp from the start. So it's automatic marketing campaigns, segment your audiences, and what, personalized messages. I like personalization. So even when I'm sent to maybe a company consults with me, like, I just still want that personalization. Don't talk to me like the crowd. Okay, how to record, how to use these apps. Oh, I don't. Oh, I don't want to promise that. I have to talk to your leader first, Mr. Delicate first. Okay, so it's really amazing. So are we ready for the video now? So there is I want us to watch the video for the history of AI. So sit back, grab water or something. Yeah, so grab. I'm coming. Yeah. No, I'm not yet done. I'm not yet done. Just hold on. I want you to watch this video. This brief history of AI. Well, where did I send it to? Okay. Let me stop sharing first. Just hold on for me a second. Stop sharing. Just hold on. You're about to watch a video now. Um, where is it? Okay. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. So you're ready to share. So grab because I'm going to I'm really particular about your outcome from this. I don't want it to just be the regular training that you attend without. Okay, all right. Can you hear it?
Data science. In today's video, we'll explore AI's fascinating history. We'll cover the birth of
Can you hear?
AI,
Can you hear?
its
Please.
study, key milestones in
Can you hear? Please put in that box. Oh, beautiful. Thank you.
AI development, the AI winter and its impact,
Wait. Let me
breakthroughs.
start
Hi
from
there,
there.
and welcome back to 365 Data Science. In today's video, we'll explore AI's fascinating history. We'll cover the birth of AI as a field of study, key milestones in AI development, the AI winter and its impact, breakthroughs in machine learning and deep learning, recent advancements in natural language processing, and the rise of generative AI and large language models. Now, let's briefly explore the significant advancements AI scientists have made in their pursuit of artificial intelligence. In 1950, the renowned British mathematician and computer scientist Alan Turing asked, "Can machines think?" in a scientific paper. This wasn't the first time someone had asked this question, but Turing's significant contribution was to move the discussion from theoretical and philosophical to practical and experimental terms. He described an explicit criterion, later called the Turing test, for evaluating machine intelligence. In the Turing test, a human interrogator engages in a natural language conversation with one human and one machine, both hidden from view. If the interrogator cannot reliably tell the machine from the human, the machine is considered to have passed the test and exhibited human-like intelligence. This set the stage for modern computational approaches to AI, making his inquiry into "can machines think" a pivotal moment in the history of artificial intelligence. Then, in 1956, the term artificial intelligence was coined at Dartmouth Conference, and AI became a formal field of study. Participants at the conference agreed to bring together experts interested in neural networks, the theory of computation, and automata theory to explore if machines could simulate various aspects of human intelligence. As you can see, scientists have taken inspiration from human intelligence to impart it to machines from the very beginning. Before we dive deeper, I'd like to take a moment to tell you about 365 Data Science's learning platform. If you're
Okay.
excited about AI
Yes. Okay.
and machine learning today, the AI research community has faced many challenges. The 1960s and 70s are known as the AI winter. Technology and data availability limitations reduced funding and interest in AI research. AI didn't make big headlines for decades until 1997, when IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Kasparov. Computer power surged in the late 1990s and early 2000s, and the internet rapidly expanded worldwide. Almost overnight, the necessary ingredients were in place. People worldwide were churning out massive volumes of digital data, and computer processing capabilities skyrocketed. This dramatic shift proved to be a turning point in AI research. It didn't take long before Geoffrey Hinton co-published a paper in 2006 reviving the interest in neural networks with deep learning techniques. Deep learning neural networks are a type of AI that is inspired by how the human brain works. One needs lots of data and high computational power to run deep learning models. So, creating such a model would have been impossible a decade earlier. In 2011, IBM's Watson AI won the Jeopardy quiz show, showcasing substantial advances in natural language processing. AI was able to work with human language. In 2012, researchers at Stanford and Google, including Jeff Dean and Andrew Ng, published Building high-level features using large-scale, unsupervised learning. A paper that advanced multi-layer neural nets, or deep neural networks. Their system excelled at recognizing cats.
Wait, are you learning? People that were asking, they want to know the history. Are you learning? Let me know. Say yes. Say yes if you are. Yes. So what year? Let me so I want to help your retention so that you can be attentive. What year did they say AI started? Put it on the chat box. What year did you see was the first year that they said AI started? Put it on the chat box. Yes. So can you see? 1950. I'm glad that you're learning this on this course. So yeah, let's
In
go.
2017,
Thank you very much. Who is that
Wolverine
person?
team developed a fundamental
Person deserves
scientific
a gift.
contribution, introducing transformers. This model was a significant breakthrough in natural language processing due to its use of self-attention mechanisms, allowing it to process data sequences like text efficiently. Then, just a year later, in 2018,
Beautiful.
OpenAI released the first version
You
of its
see,
GPT
2018.
series.
Did you see
This
when AI came? This ChatGPT came. 2018. So just 8 years ago.
generative AI technology utilized transformers to build massive large language models called LLMs. This led to significant enhancements across subsequent versions and introduced a user-friendly AI chat interface for ChatGPT in late 2022.
2022.
AI has truly come a long way, evolving from theoretical concepts to practical applications that are changing our world. As we conclude our journey through AI history, let's recap the key milestones we've covered. The birth of AI as a field in the 1950s with Alan Turing's groundbreaking work. The formal establishment of AI at the Dartmouth Conference in 1956.
Hmm.
The challenges faced during the AI winter of the 1960s and 70s. Breakthroughs like IBM's Deep Blue defeating Gary Kasparov in 1997, the rise of deep learning and neural networks in the 2000s, and finally, recent advancements in natural language processing and generative AI. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this content helpful, please.
Thank you. I'm sure you had a great time. So share me, share. I'm really interested. What stood out for you? I'm particularly very interested. What particularly stood out for you? Please share on the chat box. Share on the chat box.
Hannah,
What stood out for you? I'm particularly interested. Please go ahead.
I no go. I no go.
Can you mute that person?
Still no.
Okay. So what stood out for you? I'm listening. I want to hear real things. So what stood out for you? Anybody on the call? Can you, Miss Promise? Can you read if there's anybody on the call trying to say something?
Yeah, somebody said it's funny how AI has been existing for ages and we think it's just coming up now. Chai.
Another one. Another one. We are enjoying. I'm really enjoying the session myself. So let's go. Who else?
The
Please just
fact
read.
that
Let's read five. Okay,
the
go
fact
ahead.
that AI has been in existence since 1950, I had no idea. AI was started in 1950, yet all I've been thinking it came recently.
Okay. Let's keep it coming. Let's keep it coming. That's all we have.
Yes, that's all we have.
Okay, thank you very, very much. So I'll just do a quick so I'll give can you if you have any questions, maybe I can answer say 3 questions. I've been thinking it came 2023. Oh my god. If you have any question, please lift just 3 hands. Or let's see the number of hands. Don't I wouldn't answer one and you now be thinking another question in your mind. So if you have questions, can you put it on the chat box? Maybe you can take two or three. Miss Promise, you can take two or three. Miss Adele, we see you on the call. Thank you very much for making this happen. So, Miss Promise, can you put any? Can you, if anybody has a question, you can raise your hand. Any question you want us to answer that is very, very important, that I must answer it. That your heart is not on your chest. Your chest is not, you're not settled until I answer it. That is that cogent. I must answer it and give you your own answer right now. So please ask your question now. We have a few moments to speak together.
Okay, can I read some
Yes,
messages?
yes.
Okay, somebody said I've been thinking that it came in 2023. Then somebody else said, what stood out, knowing that AI was actually developed by humans, the history tells the journey.
Hmm.
Then all I know as AI was Chat GPT. Okay, somebody
Which
said
other?
the reasoning from can a machine think and actually visualizing it is incredible.
Hmm.
I get that.
Wow. Like I feel like people are living this training like a professor of AI. Which one am I the only one thinking that?
No, not at all.
As in, you have, it's really like I see everybody like you're able to do and undo with AI. Like okay, that is giving that feeling. So the thing is, the world has gone. Don't think it's strange. Like it just gives you that word in season. Permit me to use the word in season, like that right word to use, that right approach to undo things. You can say, I received so and so funds. Tell me, I did this for marketing. Maybe let's say for instance you're applying for a funding because okay, that's one of my I don't have to blow my trumpet. So like you're actually applying for something, maybe you want to tell AI that okay, yeah, I spent this on 500, say 50, 500 naira on marketing. I spend this. Please AI put it in in a pie chart for me to show and show my investor that this is the way I want to. You see, AI will just bring it for you in few seconds. Just wait. Your own is just wait. Paste it. Go and paste it on. Maybe you want to design it. Then go on Canva, do a fine design, change the colors. By the time they are seeing you, they'll think that you are an expert. See, the thing is, AI will help you present you professionally. I can't begin to tell you what AI has done for me. If I tell you that all I did, I don't want to blow my trumpet. On this presentation you are seeing, you can see my picture right there. So like AI is I won't just say AI is life. Like it's just the technology, the wave of technology right now. Like it helps you even advise you in where even to channel your resources to even just ask. But the thing is, let me add this disclaimer. God, what's it called? Source of all wisdom. Don't allow. Don't, I know someone too that had that issue that told me in professional class I was. She said, AI is, but AI knows everything about my life. So the thing is that, like I shared in one of the slides, like you have to be very, 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 very careful about what the data privacy and path, the challenge and responsible use of AI. So that data quality and privacy concern. So it's a concern. So the thing is, because of that, you can see that LMS, you saw it learning, it doesn't particularly forget. So AI can actually reiterate on something you told it 3 years ago and come and open it for you. So the thing is, be careful of things that you don't go and share your trade secret with ChatGPT. Is you go and share it on another business and use it. So still keep your mystery. Still keep, but you of course ask for the help, but don't over detail. Don't shoot yourself on the foot. So another business that is not competing. So you can actually ask for the even as I said, large businesses you can compete with them. The thing is, all those big business. I don't know if you know about some that close up recently. The thing is, they are after they're shine, they are the big elephant. When I see your heart coming somewhere in between, like with how AI has helped you to personalize your marketing, sending this thing. Imagine you have access to a contract of over 5,000 and you're just a business that started, let's say, 6 months ago. So it already give you that placing already. Like, and it's you don't have to use that breaks your bank. You can they're very like they're not so pricey. The thing is, invest in something like that to grow your business. Like, you imagine you sending a 5,000 people email, let's say in 3 months. One day, someone will call you. That's using that calls to call 5,000 contacts. If you're trying to call them, maybe say once a month or once in 3 months, the thing is, it makes you register in their mind. I want you to see AI as that's your opportunity to break even in your business very fast. Don't see it as a threat. You want to draft something, you want to write something. The thing is, what I do is, I may not let AI be the origin of my entire ideas because you are a human, you are very intelligent. If for you to have started a business, you are not a dummy, or for you to even be alive, you're not a dummy. So you can put your AI, you can even write your this thing, write what you want to write with the errors and everything. Say, rephrase this for me professional. Rewrite this for me to send to my client who is about to invest in my business. See, be very practical. So I don't think AI just started. AI started in 950. 950 is how many years ago? Put on that box for me. 950 is how many years ago? Put it on the chat box. 1950 is how many years ago? That's, should I say it? That's 66 years ago. 66, if I'm not mistaken. 50 plus 50. What am I saying? That's like about 76 years. So if you think that AI is just coming now, you are wrong. So any question? Any question? Because my plan was to actually go through the practical workshop, but I feel that Rome is not built in a day. We can just take it one step at a time. But is there any question? Nobody's raising up for any question. It's looking like everybody just looking. Okay, let me first of all suck this in first. So I'm just going to go through the slides again, like go through from the start. Then why did AI matters? The business growth problem. What AI really is. AI is your business partner, so don't see AI as someone that will take away your job. Key areas where AI drives growth. So look at it. Operations and processes. Maybe you know you have to post, you have to send a content every. You can let AI help you. Let's see. Let AI help you. You don't have to sweat. If your business is small and you can't yet afford a graphic design, use Canva. Start from the free version. Whatever, start somewhere first. Just start. And you don't have to share your too much of your details. Be still be, how will I put it? Because of privacy concerns, be wise. Yeah. So turning data into growth, right? So even before you reach out 5,000 people that as your business has met with, yeah, I can help you call them already. Even send a book or even send a mail. Just think, don't look at the technology, look at the what do you need AI for? There are tools for you. I'm talking very calmly now because I want you to hear it deep in your heart, deep in your soul as you sleep tonight. AI is here to help you. AI is not a threat. AI is not here to take, if you're in the career world, AI is not here to take your job. AI is for you, to help you. I have a brother working in the United States, that with the multinational in the United States, and he said, I don't even know how to use Excel, but I use Excel every day. Why? How? AI. I just press it, that put it in Excel sheet for me. So the thing is, all these, the thing is, it's good to learn skills. So I've learned, well, I remember, yeah, I'll just say debug this code for me. You know, I'm a software engineer. Debug this code. I'm tired because I can't start looking for code manually. And different apps for the programmers cloud, CLAUDE. Like it helped. Like, of course, it doesn't make you lazy. It actually helps you be efficient. Things that should take you 3 months to do can take you days. Can give you speed. Data plus AI is direction. Result is higher revenue with lower marketing cost. You can actually budget your way. Happy customers drive sustainable growth, faster operations, reduce cost. Do you say AI levels the playing field? So meaning you can actually compete. They will look at you. Eh? All those you are not saying you don't look down on yourself. All those big boys they are watching. All of you people that are coming up to see. Hope the person is not taking the market also. Right. So a good strategy needs a good intelligence. AI works best when guided by people and purpose. So why is your business in the market? Right? The biggest risk is doing nothing. So think practical, not perfect. I said, like my watchword, AI should be simple, useful, and human-centered. So, and we did the exercise, our key learning outcomes to gain confidence using AI for daily business tasks, understand how AI supports growth and efficiency. So, like I said, I have a book that has 100 AI tools. Right. So, thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Can
Thank you
anyone
very
hear
much.
me?
I think we have a question in the chat box.
I have a question.
Yes, there's a
Okay, please.
question there. He said, something has been bothering me. AI is good, but the fact that information online sometimes is being tampered with a lot of lies being generated from AI. Won't it cause harm in future? Won't it make people believe less in it? That's the question.
Is there any other question? Sorry, let's take it all together. Ask a question now because I will not be answer plenty questions.
I think that's the only question.
Okay, thank you very much. That's also my question before I started using AI because I'm one of the gang of I must test and verify something before using it. The thing is, you said if it wouldn't be a threat, if it would be the thing is, like I said, I reiterated. I reiterate again that when you are when you are working with AI, don't put everything. I'm not saying that I don't know. There's a way to be diplomatic. I'll give you a case scenario. Maybe you are into how do I put it, Lord? Let's say your business is into maybe you even did your business plans through AI, or maybe let's say you have a real estate firm and there's a way you built that particular thing, and when the customer, the client that wants to buy comes to ask you, that man, do you have swimming pool? Do you have this? There's a way that you can answer and focus on the negative part after hearing what that client has to say, that person that wants to buy has to say. So let me put it now in what you're asking me. There's a way you can tweak an information. I remember I was trying to do something for a business. Of course, I'm someone that before I even in this meeting, this particular training, I first of all have my notes. I have notes first, like that your real original ideas. It's you see, it's so priceless. So put it together instead of you putting the exact name. Maybe your business is like I saw C9 as a business name. Don't say instead of to say write a business plan for C9 that has been around for 5 years. Tell me the customer base according to what you know about me. No, be careful too, because the truth is, whether we like it or not, some information will leak. But the thing is, my nailing on the point is ensure not to populate or write your exact trade secret. The thing is, many things are online, many informations are flying everywhere. But the thing is, find that uniqueness. Let's say, what is your unique selling proposition? What's that? Why should I buy from you? If this first shop, this second shop, third shop are selling the same thing. What is so keep that to yourself. Don't share it with AI. Like I said, challenges and responsibility. Let me go to that side. Challenges and responsibility, the responsible use of AI. You must still keep that part. So data quality and privacy consent. You must keep it. There's some things you shouldn't share everything. There's a way you can be diplomatic that you don't have to mention all the details. So I think I've been able to answer that. Thank you. Any other question? I think we'll round up now. Promise.
Okay,
Any comment?
no, no other question.
Right. So I think this is where we draw up the curtain today. Thank you so much for having me. I'm glad that you learned something new. Your gift. Okay. Okay. Where are you from? Where are you from? How do we prompt AI? Okay. That's a workshop. So this is like a So that's the workshop will be. I'm not promising you a workshop, but the workshop will be that practical whereby we go down, we narrow it, you share your screen, that kind of practical handling. So I know that we can't do all of that in 1 hour because I think we started around 5:21. So we can't do that in 1 hour. If I'm Nigeria, okay, yeah. So I would send your airtime gifts. All right. So thank you very much,
Wow, that's an
Sylvester.
amazing session. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's a wonderful session. I want to say thank you once again. Actually, if you don't know, this is a paid class, but you are having it for free. So I wouldn't want you to take this lightly at all. So there is an a higher version of the class that is actually a paid class. So for those who are actually interested, you can get in touch with me. I will give you the contact of the facilitator so that I can get in touch directly. It's actually a paid class for you to really be able to go deeper and deeper. On this one that we are having here today is a paid class as well, but it's part of our way to contribute, to the program. And I really want to say thank you so much again, our wonderful facilitator. Um, and I also believe that going forward, we'll be doing more things together. And please, for as many that have attended this session, I just want you to please take this seriously, because actually if you are meant to pay, not everybody might be able to afford those. Some might be able to afford, but not everybody might have been able to afford. But there we have everybody assessing the class. So thank you so much. You promised a book, a tool for AI. Once I receive it, I will share with them on the platform. And also for as many who also want to go deeper, who want to take a higher level of the class, just get in touch. I will send the contact to you so that you can get in touch with that directly. Thank you so much for this wonderful class, for this wonderful session. I was all through though I know about hair, but I must tell you there is always a new thing to learn every day, about AI. So thank you so much. We really appreciate you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you so much. I do
Thank
not
you,
take it
our
for
program
granted.
manager. She really did an amazing work today, anchoring from beginning to the
Wow.
end. Honestly, it was an interesting session. So thank you so much. Promise you're also wonderful. So to everybody who attended, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
All right. Now.